easiest paths to Canadian PR in 2026. This video guides you through the top 5 routes, step by step. Canada offers free healthcare, world-class education, and a quality lifestyle. Permanent residency opens these doors to you and your family. Permanent residency means legal status, work rights, and a safe future in Canada. Let's explore how you can get started. Pathway 1. Express Entry. It's for skilled workers with work experience, education, and strong language abilities. Candidates are ranked using a point system. Age, experience, and language scores all play a role in your ranking. Express Entry is the fastest route for many, especially if you already have a job offer or high language scores. Next, provincial nominee programs. Each province picks newcomers who match regional needs. Some prefer healthcare staff, others IT experts. If you have connections to a province or job offer, nomination increases your Express Entry score and boosts approval odds. Family sponsorship allows Canadian citizens and PRs to bring close relatives. Reuniting families is a core value of Canadian immigration. You can sponsor your spouse, children, parents, or grandparents, as long as you can financially support them in Canada. Study to PR is popular for international students. Graduate in Canada, then gain work experience and qualify for permanent residency. After studies, the post-graduation work permit allows you to gain valuable Canadian work experience for PR pathways. Atlantic Immigration Program is for those wanting to live in Atlantic provinces. It's employer-driven and has flexible requirements for skilled workers. A valid job offer from an approved employer is key for this pathway, making it ideal if you want to settle in the East. Which Canadian PR pathway matches your dreams? Let us know in the comments and start your adventure today.